Good to go.
We're starting with Kira Hoppi and Lotta Loveless.
Amazing skaters. They're all amazing.
Kira Hoppi, lead jammer. Followed closely by number 22, Lotta Loveless. Battle Cat number 93, sent off for 1 minute. And the jam is called with 2 points.
So Tampere got a little lead. Tampere siirtyy 1 pisteellä johtoon. Pisteet ovat tällä hetkellä 2-1.
We're starting with Hooligan and Alexattack.
Shining Alexattack.
Sparkly Bottom.
Eli roller derbyssä tämä ensimmäinen ohitus, jota nämä hyökkäjät tekevät, varmistaa kumpi jammereista saa lead jammer statuksen ja vasta toinen ja kolmas ja muut kierrokset sen jälkeen antavat pisteitä joukkueelle.
Alexattack finishes her initial pass. But the Hooligan calls the jam before she can make any points.
Niin ei välttämättä kerkeä aina huomata teitä siellä, mutta teidät pystyy kuulemaan kumminkin.
Lotta Loveless quickly breaks her way through and is lead jammer.
Hamburin blokkeri yritti siinä Ruhorantaa taklata, mutta kaatuikin itse maahan ja Ruhorantakin oli pääsemässä tekemään pisteitä, mutta Hamburin blokkeri koolaa jamin antaen 3 pistettä Hamburille ja 0 pistettä Tampereelle.
Next up we see Kira Hoppi and Knockin' Rose. Knockin' Rose quickly makes her way through as lead jammer.
Lead jammeria osoitetaan siis ensimmäisellä kierroksella tuommoisella L-merkkisellä käsimerkillä ja osoittamalla jammeria näin.
Knockin' Rose strategically calls the jam before any points are made for the opposing team.
Ja tuossa keskellä kun on noin jammereilla kummallakin omat tuomarit, niin te pystytte tuosta punaisesta hikinauhasta huomaamaan, että punaisen hikinauhan omistaja on Tampereen pisteiden laskija, joten siitä huomaatte, pystytte katsomaan, että monta pistettä Tampere saa.
We have Little Hooligan and Lotta Loveless. Whoa. Down goes Battle Cats. Hater skater number 77 has been sent to the box for 1 minute.
That was a big hit.
Both girls still fighting their way through to establish lead jammer.
Little Hooligan siinä äsken 4 pistettä tehtyään koolasi jamin, ettei vastustaja pääse tekemään pisteitä. Ja pistetilanne tällä hetkellä Tampereelle 13, Hamburille 6. Ja kuten tuossa aikaisemmassa pelissä sanoin, niin isokaan pistetilanne ei tarkoita yhtään mitään. Derbyssä 100 pistettä voidaan vielä helposti kuroa umpeen.
Alexa Tak and Zombie Maga fighting for lead jammer. And Zombie Maga comes up on the inside.
Both teams have apparently taken a strategy to go all in from the first whistle. Real aggressive blocking from the get-go.
That's right, these girls are all here to win. Look at that wall. That just goes to show that jammers are completely capable of blocking. Alexa Tak, 1 minute in the box.
Ensimmäinen Power Jam eli voimajami Tampereen joukkueelle. Ja voimajami eli Power Jam tarkoittaa sitä, kun vastapuolen pisteiden tekijä on boksissa eikä pysty tekemään ollenkaan pisteitä. Tämän takia myöskin Tampereen blokkerit seisovat paikallaan tuolla, jotta jammeri kerkeisi kerätä mahdollisimman paljon pisteitä.
And despite the fact that she could have kept going, the jammer decided to stop the jam strategically to give another jammer a chance to start as lead jammer.
Maybe she felt a little bit tired.
Maybe. There we go.
Sieltä helpon oloisesti Kira Horpi taistelee tiensä lead jammeriksi ja ensimmäisellä pistekierroksellaan siellä tälläkin hetkellä.
Those Hamburg girls are doing a great job of holding her back, but she can't hold a jammer back forever. Eventually, she will pull them out of formation so that they're no longer a pack, and then they have to stop blocking.
Ja kuten huomaatte, tuolla boksissa tuo Hampurin jammeri seisoo, joka tarkoittaa sitä, että hänellä on alle 10 sekuntia aikaa rangaistusta jäljellä. Minuutin rangaistuksesta 50 sekuntia pitää istua penkillä ja viimeiset 10 sekuntia pitää seistä, jotta seuraavalla blokkerilla, joka tulee boksiin, tai siis jammerilla myös, on tilaa istua siihen.
Little Hooligan, lead jammer of course, starting unopposed. Alexa Tak has joined the pack and must make her initial pass before she can make points herself. And she's through.
Tuo sisäpuolen refen käden nosto ja out of play huuto on varoitus blokkereille siitä, että he ovat edenneet pakasta yli 6 metriä ja joutuvat sääntöjen mukaan lopettamaan blokkaamisen ja joutuvat päästämään vastapuolen jammerin eteenpäin. Jos kyseistä blokkaamista jatkaa vielä 6 merkin jälkeen, tulee niin sanottu out of play penalty, josta joutuu minuutin verran istumaan boksissa.
When the ref says stop, you better stop.
Tampere on mukavasti kirinyt johtoaan 35 pisteeseen, Hampurin joutuessa tyytymään vain 12 pisteeseen. Eroa on näin ollen 23 pistettä. Antakaas kuulua raikuvat aplodit ainakin Tampereen joukkueelle. Kyllä Hampurikin ansaitsee aplodit.
Despite a 30-point lead, 20-point lead.
23.
23, there, you're getting better at your math, Nick Dagger. This can be made up very quickly in a matter of 1 or 2 jams.
Practice makes perfect. Even in maths.
Next up, we have number 56, Kira Horpi, and number 77, Hater Skater.
Ja Tässä on vielä 20 minuuttia aikaa ostaa arpoja. Siellä jossain yleisön joukossa todennäköisesti kiertää arpamyyjä. Ja erätauolla arvotaan sitten arpapalkinnot. Tukekaa joukkuettanne ja ostakaa arpoja. Kiitos.
Hater Skater, lead jammer. Oh, excuse me, I'm wrong. Hater Skater's
Kira
not lead
Horpi.
jammer. Yeah, Kira Horpi. And she knocks out the other jammer. When somebody gets knocked off of the track, when I knock you out, Nick, you have to get in behind me. Nice work there, Ms. Horpi. If he doesn't come in behind me, you will get a penalty for cutting, which is why number 56 ran backwards so quickly after knocking out Hater Skater.
That's called recycling. And that's really annoying if you have to skate backwards.
It's a big waste of time for a jammer to be going in the wrong direction. A sweet little dodge from Kid Horpi. And the Hater Skater is sitting in the box.
Power Jam eli tämä voimahillo on erittäin hyvä tilaisuus joukkueelle päästä pisteellä pakoon ja Tampere on sitä juuri tekemässä ja saa tälläkin hetkellä yli 50 pistettä Hampurin jäädessä 12 pisteeseen. Ja kuten äsken tuossa sanoin, niin se, että boksissa seistään tarkoittaa sitä, että jäähyaika on alle 10 sekuntia jäljellä, jonka Tampereen jammeri huomasi ja koolasi jamin, jotta saadaan tuoreet jalat kentälle ja hyödyntämään vielä viimeisetkin tuosta vastapuolen hyökkääjän jäähystä.
You know what he said.
About Power Jams.
And here we go again. Tampere starting on a post. So that number 80, Little Hooligan, is lead jammer. Number 77, Hater Skater, has joined the pack.
This is her second jam as a lead, as a jammer, so it must be really tiring. Although she got a minute rest in the box.
Next up, we have number 85, Zombie Maria, and Lotta Lovelace, number 22.
Tampere päässyt jo 60 pisteeseen, eli Tampereen blokkerit ovat hyvin ansioituneesti pitäneet vastapuolen hyökkääjät selkänsä takana.
But don't forget to cheer for both teams. Points made is directly proportional to the amount of noise that the audience makes. Lotta Lovelace, lead jammer, followed closely by number 85.
Joten muistakaa kannustaa myös vastapuolta, koska derbyssä rakastetaan kaikkia.
Two points for Hamburg in that last jam.
Ja päinvastaisessa nurkassa, kun tuo pistetaulu on, tuolla vasemmalla pyörii mainostusten lisäksi myös muun muassa päivämääriä, jolloin voi käydä katsomassa muita derbymatseja. Ja sehän kannattaa, koska derby on maailman paras urheilulaji. Itsekin matkustin tänne Keravalta tänään.
Next we have Alexa Tag and number 18, Elina Ruohanse. Alexa Tag, lead jammer. Wheels and cables.
Lead jammer with shining pans, Alexa Tag. Maybe that's like the cape, like the superheroes have. Shining pans.
and Little Hooligan.
Penaltiboksissa paljon actionia siellä, eli aika vähän porukkaa kentällä, joten Jammerilla on hyvä mahdollisuus päästä luikahtelemaan tuosta pakan lävitse. Kovasti siellä yrittävät Tampereen blokkerit estää Lotta Lovelessia, mutta hän saa silti lead jammerin, jota Jamrefe tuolla osoittelee.
Lotta Loveless saves her energy and calls the jam before Tampere can make any points.
Kovin on aggressiivisesti tosiaan aloittaneet molemmat kaikki 4 joukkuetta itse asiassa tänään. Kovasti on isoja hittejä heti alussa ja pelaajia lentelee radalla ja radan ulkopuolella vaikka kuinka paljon. And we've actually played over 15 minutes, which is half of the first period.
Next attack.
Joo. Tampereella jo 60 pistettä tässä vaiheessa, kun Hampuri on hieman kurannut eroa 23 pisteeseen. Ja 3. poveriami Tampereelle, jolloin tällä kertaa Kira Horvella on hyvä mahdollisuus eroa vielä ehkäpä jopa yli 100 pisteeseen. Hampurin jammerin istuessa boksissa jo 3. kertaa. Se antaa ehkä hieman jopa epäreilun edun vastapuolen pelaajalle. Ja vaikka tuossa äsken puhuttiinkin siitä, että ulos hitattu jammeri joutuu palaamaan hittaajien. Tuomareiden keskusteluhetki on päättynyt ja koska jammeria ei näy siellä penaltiboksissa, niin tuomarit pitivät mielensä ja jäähyä ei tullut. So it looks like no penalty because there's both jammers on the track.
That number 10 comes through unopposed.
From dance moves to lead jammer.
Tampere team has split themselves into 2 groups, one to hold back the jammer and one to help their jammer get through. They seem to be doing a fine job, but eventually she's too far away from her colleagues and has to go back.
Eli Elina Ruhoranta siinä ajautui 6 metriä viimeisestä pakkapelaajasta ja tuomari ystävällisesti sanoi, että out of play, joka on varoitus pelaajalle ja tarkoittaa, että hänen joutuu lopettaa blokkaaminen saman tien ja päästää vastustajan hyökkääjä eteenpäin.
We have Little Hooligan and Lotta Loveless.
There's almost 50 points difference, but in Derby it doesn't mean anything. Anything can still happen, that it means.
Absolutely, and with 10 minutes still left in the game, it's anybody's game.
And Lotta Loveless thinks that now it's time for us to make even the scores.
Lotta Loveless goes down and calls the jam.
Ja tuossa kun rynnistelee pakan läpi niin ja kaatuilee, niin pitää myös varoa sitä, että ei kaadu holtittomasti, koska jos kaatuu tommoseen X-asentoon radalle ja vastapuolen pelaaja kompastuu suhun, niin siitä saa jäähyn. Eli sen lisäksi, että sun sattuu, kun joku kaatuu sun päälle, niin sä joudut vielä boksiinkin. Eli myös kaatuminen pitää tehdä todella turvallisesti. About low blocks.
Genau. We have a really interesting combination of jammers. We have 2, 3, 4 knock and rows, and 42, Edgar Allan Poe. They couldn't be more different in size. Two completely different styles of jamming. Oh. Knock and rows, banging her way through for lead jammer. And 5 points for Hamburg.
Tampere jammer Edgar Allan Poe got called for cutting. And there is a power jam for Hamburg, sorry. Eli Tampereen jammeri sai radan ylittävästä liikkeestä jäähyn ja nyt on Hampurilla todella hyvä mahdollisuus tasata pisteet.
So the blocker that just came into the pack cannot block the jammer that she was skating in front of until she has entered the pack herself.
Beautiful moves by Knock and Rose, dancing her way and getting the last 5 points before calling off the jam. She noticed that the Tampere... What happened? Yeah. Actually, there seemed to be a confusion about when the jam stopped. And now we can continue to jam number 19.
Lotta Lovelace.
With Tampere leading with 28 points. Way to go, Tampere.
Way to go, Mick Dagger, for your quick math.
Woo! And Hamburg following with 46 points. Anything can still happen.
Whoa! Lotta Lovelace skimming past Edgar Allan Poe. And Lotta Lovelace saves her energy, calls the jam before number 42 has a chance of getting any points.
And off to jam number 20.
Jeanne d'Arc forcing back the Tampere jammer as Alexa Tak makes her initial pass and is lead jammer for this jam.
Kuten derbynkin ulkopuolella kierrätys on hyvästä, niin se on hyväksi myös derbyssä. Äsken hampurilaiset kierrättivät Tampereen jammeria ja Kira Horpi joutui palaamaan yhden suoran verran taaksepäin.
Next up, we are looking at Lotta Lovelace and Little Hooligan. So, photo op there.
Photo booth. Real important.
And if we get back to the game, we will see that Lotta Lovelace is lead jammer. And she makes her way through the pack, makes her points, and calls the jam.
Ja jos katsotte tuonne penaltiboksiin, niin siellä istuu sekä 2 Tampereen blokkeria että 2 Hamburin blokkeri, joka tarkoittaa sitä, että blokkereille tuo boksi on täysi. Paitsi että yksi hampurilainen siellä seisoo, eli sinne mahtuisi kolmaskin. Anteeksi.
We now have number 18, Elina Rodanta, and Knockin' Rose, 2-3-4 for Hamburg.
So there's actually the same amount of people in the box than on the track.
So let's see if Rose is going to try to get in front of her, and she's not going to. She calls the jam before anybody can make points.
In this case, it's pretty wise, because you don't want to risk any points on the opposing team if you're losing.
That's right. It's not always about making points for yourself, but preventing the opposing team from gaining any points.
So give it up for Hamburg for climbing down the point tree. There's 16 points difference.
And
They hurt you.
Lana
Or
Lovelace
she did.
knows that she's followed closely by the opposing jammer. She's going to try to make her points, which she does, and then calls the jam.
3 pistettä Tampereelle ja 3 pistettä myös Hamburille, eli tasapisteen seuraavaan jamiin. Seuraavaan jamiin menossa tuttu jammeri-taistelupari Alexa Tack ja Little Hooligan. Molemmat rintarinnan siellä taistelevat lead jammerista ja Little Hooliganhan sen nappaa. Kovasti siellä estellään Hamburin jammeria Alexa Tackia, mutta Ruhoranta ajautuu out of playhin ja joutuu päästämään Alex Attackin pistekierrokselle.
Up we have Jane Van Payne, number 030, and number 85, Zombie Maria, who starts off by doing a little bit of blocking herself, which is not such a bad strategy with a jammer like Jane Van Payne, who is rather flitzy, as we say in German. She can zip between players quite quickly.
Kovasti on aggressiivisesti jatkunut tämä peli, koska ei ole vähän aikaan ollut kokonaan tyhjä boksi. Siellä on aina joku ja 4 blokkerista, jos yksikin puuttuu, niin se vaikuttaa peliin kyllä todella paljon, varsinkin jos joutuu alivoimalla pelaamaan.
And the Hamburg wall is doing a fine job of holding back number 85 from making her initial pass.
I was actually watching the European Championships like a year and a half ago when Berlin was playing there, and El Tupe was announcing, and he laughed for the whole weekend to the joke he made up. He called the Berlin Wall a Berlin Wall.
Berlin Wall. Yeah, Hamburg doesn't really have a famous wall, except maybe today the Harbor Girls.
Harburg Wall.
Damn, maybe.
What's the wave shatterer? That's when you get a Harburst. What's it called? You know what I mean. Aallon murtaja.
A jetty?
What, jetty?
A jetty?
Might be. Yeah. It's not important.
Back to Derby.
From the waves.
Oh, that was a nice move by number 56, lead jammer, Kira Harpy. Knockin' Rose makes her initial pass.
Nice moves. Kira Horpi goes unnoticed from the inside
That's right.
and calls off the jam before Harburg gets anyone. And it's actually half time.
Wow, that went fast. So, ladies and gentlemen, we now have a 15-minute break.
With very interesting score. Hamburg Harbor Girls with 74 points and Tampere Rolling Hose 84 points. Real exciting second period coming up.
Very exciting, Mick. 10-point difference. It's anybody's game. We're starting with Kira Horpi and Alexa Tack.
So let's hear us for Hamburg Harbor Girls.
Come on, people, make some noise.
And how about some noise for Tampere Rolling Hose?
Here we go, Alexa Tack, lead jammer for Hamburg. Kira Horpi fighting her way.
Sieltä Hampuri ansaitsi jo ensimmäiset pisteet, kun Tampereen Kira Horpi on vasta saavuttamassa pakkaa. Ja Hampurin jammeri näki tämän ja koolasi jamin kuroen eroaan vain 6 pisteeseen. Only 6 points difference.
It's closing fast, that gap. We're going to start off this jam with Little Hooligan at number 80 and number 22, Lotta Lovelace.
Let's see what happens. So audience, don't forget to cheer for your favorite team. This is real crucial part of the game, so anything can happen.
Lotta Lovelace quickly makes her way through as lead jammer for Hamburg.
So fast that we didn't even see it. Luckily the refs did.
Oh, nice bit of strategy there. As Hater Skater attempted to go back, she was blocked by an opposing blocker so that she couldn't make the way farther for Little Hooligan, who is now back in and still fighting for her initial pass, which she has made. And Lotta Lovelace calls the jam. That was a nice jam.
Koko ajan pisteero vähenee ja vähenee. Itse asiassa ei enää edes vähene, vaan siirtyy Hamburg johtoon. So Hamburg got lead change.
There we go, it's that fast.
I missed the first 4 points. I thought they only got 2.
We are looking at number 18, Alina Ruohanta, and Knock and Rose 2, 3, 4. Alina Ruohanta on the outside.
Nice skating from the outside.
Someone just got a penalty, number 36, 1 minute.
Tampere's Harriet Harder just started recycling when she got a penalty. I didn't see what it was, but she happily knew.
This is some aggressive roller derby, folks. These girls are really fighting. Only a 3-point difference.
88 pistettä Tampereelle ja 85 Hampurille. Ihan uskomattoman jännä peli. Mulla hikoilee kädet niin paljon, että ei mikkikään pysy enää kädessä. My mic is slipping because I have sweaty hands. This is so exciting. So excuse me, Tampere, if I break your microphone. So give it up for Tampere and Kira Horpi for struggling their way.
Wow, these girls are playing so aggressively. Unreal. We have Jane Van Payne as lead jammer for Hamburg, and she calls the jam and gets blocked right back onto the bench.
Jammer on jammer.
everybody wants to win, and everybody could.
Kumpikaan joukkue ei saanut äskeisessä jamissa pisteitä, joten samoissa pistelukemissa 88-85 siirrytään jamiin numero 5.
Little Hooligan and Alex Attack. There are only 2 blockers for Tampere on the track. They are going to do their best to hold back the jammer. And they're doing not too bad a job of it.
Ja vaikka tosiaan Tampereella olikin vain 2 blokkeria kentällä, niin silti he saivat pidettyä vastustajan jammerin takana. Ja sen lisäksi vielä Hooligan sai lead jammerin. Ja itse asiassa tällä hetkellä vain numero 9 Arja Horiseva siellä blokkailee Elina Ruhorannan kanssa.
Alex Attack finishes her initial pass.
Ja hyvinkin harmittavasti Tampereen jammeri Little Hooligan sai ilmeisesti kyynärvarsien laittomasta käytöstä eli forearmsista jäähyn ja joutui näin ollen jammerina boksiin. Ja Alex Attackilla on nyt erittäin loistava tilaisuus kuroa eroa uusiin lukemiin.
Someone got elbows. Number 18 is going to sit for 1 minute. Alex Attack goes back on the track and makes it through for another 5 points.
I don't know what they Hamburg girls ate in the locker room, but it surely has helped. Maybe some sauerkraut.
They ate a little bit of motivation and some attitude.
Alex Attack tried to call off the jam, but she wasn't lead jammer.
When there's no lead jammer in a jam, that means the jam is going to run the full 2 minutes.
Sounds like it.
There they are.
And we're good to go to the 6th jam. Damn you numbers.
Lotta Lovelace, lead jammer. Zambi Maria fighting her way.
Some impressive jamming by Lotta Lovelace.
Rocca Rodriguez and Hayerskate are not making it easy for her to make her initial pass. As Lotta Lovelace makes it past and makes 5 points.
Jammer point. You get 1 additional point if you lap the opposing jammer once. Once per each scoring pass.
And Lotta calls it on her back.
Hampurin jammeri yritti siinä koolata jamia, ettei Tampere saisi pisteitä, mutta päätyykin sillä tavalla, että Tampere sai 3 ja Hampuri ei saanut yhtään tässä jamissa. Eli siellä Tampereen jammeri kerkesi ohittaa 3 vastustajan blokkeria.
This is a really exciting game, Mick Jagger. When the score is this close and the teams are this well matched, it's hard to remember to tell the audience what's going on. Jane Van Payne, lead jammer for Hamburg Harbor Girls, and followed closely by number 56, Kiera Horppi.
Ja muistakaahan tosiaan yleisö, että vaikka Tampere onkin vain 16 pistettä häviöllä, niin pitää pitää hirveätä älämölöä. Ja kuten Noisi tuossa äsken edellisessä matsissa sanoi, niin mitä enemmän ääntä yleisö pitää, sitä enemmän pisteitä tiimi tekee.
Very cleverly called the last jam from Jane before the opposing jammer could make any points. Rolling hose. Oh, little hooligan, fast in the front.
Fast and Furious.
Oh, whoa, big pile up.
That was a big slam.
Hard blocks.
If this was a comic, there would have been like this explosion the size of this hall.
Flat. The Tampere girls are holding Rocca Rodriguez back, keeping her from joining her colleagues. As Little Hooligan makes 5 points.
This is just what Tampere wanted. A power jam for them to make up for the lost points.
That's right, a game this close can really turn in just one power jam.
Eli tää on just se, mitä Tampere tarvii tähän hetken, eli Power Jam Tampereelle, jolloin Hampuri kerkeää ansaita pisteitä. Katsokaas pisteitä. 1 pisteen ero. Little Hooligan nappaili siellä mojovasti reilu 10 pistettä joukkueelleen. Vain 1 pisteen ero.
That's right, it can't get any closer without being a tie. There we go, the initial pass from the Tampere jammer number 18, Alina Ruharante.
Siellä jos ihmettelette, minkä takia Tampere venyttää tuota jonoa tuonne taaksepäin, niin johtuu siitä, että Hampurin jammeri joutuu palaamaan viimeisen pelaajan takaa.
Alexa Tack has joined the pack and she's fighting to make her initial pass. Ruharante, number 18, smashing her way through the Hamburg wall.
This is awesome derby.
This is exciting derby. Ruharante, another 5 points. Alexa Tack still fighting to make her way through for her initial pass so that she can make some points for the Hamburg team.
The Tampere blockers are really doing their job well because Alexa Tack looks like she's ready to fall off her feet.
That's right, they're making it a hard job. Ruharante, nochmal 5 points.
It looks like the audience finally gets up with the game. Because this is a power jam for Tampere. Eli todella hyvä mahdollisuus Tampereelle päästä pakoon.
Jeanne d'Arc joins her colleagues, makes it a little bit harder for Ruharante to make more points for her team. And with 2 minutes, the jam is over and the score has changed.
Alexa Tack got so tired that she made a cut track penalty and is now sitting in the box. And Tampere gets to have another power jam start.
With number 56, Kira Horppi.
Kira Horppi jammailee siellä Tampereen johtaessa 29 pisteellä.
And she makes it through. Her initial pass is complete.
That is some aggressive derby right there. Eli tuossa nähtiin tuollaista siltaus- eli bridge-taktiikkaa, eli hampurilaiset venyttivät tuota hittausaluetta eteenpäin menemällä jonoon, jolloin he pystyvät blokkaamaan vastustajan jammeria enemmän aikaa. Ja siinä Tampere yritti niin sanotusti murtaa tämän sillan, mutta Tampereen blokkeri numero 001 käytti väärään suuntaan taklausta hyödykseen ja sai siitä rangaistuksen. Eli taaksepäin derbyssä ei saa taklata, koska se on todella vaarallista.
There we go. Hater skater number 77, lead jammer. Knocking Rose and Trixie Ells trying to hold back number 80, Little Hooligan. She makes it through.
As a jammer, she just blocked 2 blockers out of bounds. Impressive, impressive. And Hater Skater calling off the jam just before Hooligan was about to make new points. So the score is 116 for Harbor Girls and 150 points for Tampere. Let's make some noise.
Yeah. And it's still with 14 and a half minutes left. Anybody's game. Lotta Lovelace, number 22, and number 56, Kiira Horpi.
In Finland, we have this saying that you get so excited that you can't keep your trousers on. That's where I'm at right now. Just for audience sake, I hope I can, though.
I'm not wearing any trousers. This is some fast, dirty McDagger. This is really fun to watch. 3 points for Hamburg, 0 points for Tampere. They are going to try to close the gap slowly.
Real quick jams.
The girls are playing smart and fast. We now have Knock and Rose, number 234, and number 80, Little Hooligan. Both girls fighting against very good walls, trying to get through.
I know that Tampere has a singing song that they used to sing to their team. It goes like uli 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 something, so maybe you can start singing it to make Tampere expand their lead.
Nick Knock and Rose makes her initial pass as Kiira Horpi makes, I believe, 4 points and calls the jam.
There's so much happening, so much.
I've announced games where there's been so many exciting things happening that I forgot to say anything. Watching girls get knocked down or flying out of the track.
Then you just have to pick your jaw from the floor and start talking.
Number 85, Zombie Maria, against number 22, Lotta Lovelace.
Oh, best seats in the house.
Very fast. Lead jammer, number 22, Zombie Maria, not far behind. A smart jam, 5 points, 0 for the competition. They are closing the gap. So here we go. We're starting off our next jam with number 18, Alita Ruhoranta, and number 030, Jane Van Payne.
So 11 minutes left on the game, so if you still have any voice left, now is time to use it.
That's
11
right.
minutes.
lead jammer for Hamburg Harbor Girls. And the Harbor Girls making hard work for Ruha Ranta, but she makes it through for her initial pass.
Ja Hampuri todellakin haluaa nyt voittaa tämän pelin. Raivoisasti Jami toisen perään. Hampuri nappailee noita lead jammer statuksia ja kuroo eroaan pisteeltä eteenpäin. Tällä hetkellä vain noin 20 pistettä eroa.
These girls are playing hard and smart. It's not always about getting so many points. Lotta Lovelace, number 22, up against number 56, Kiira Horpi.
17 points difference.
Wow.
17, wow.
Very exciting.
10 minutes in the game. Woo.
Lotta Lovelace, following closely behind Kiira Horpi, passes her to become lead jammer. Lotta manages to call the jam before Tampere can make any points.
2-0. Hampuri valmisteli tuossa eroaan vielä vähäsen ja sai 2 pistettä, kun Tampere ei kerennyt saada yhtään pistettä.
We now have 0-3-0 Jane Van Payne against number 80 Little Hooligan. Oh, it's very quiet. Let's hear something, people. Roller derby!
What? I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, it wasn't very much. Come on, people, make some noise! Jane Van Payne! Coming up close behind. Oh.
A derby pile.
That was a
I want to
really
ride
good
you.
move. Did anybody
Piggyback.
see that? I don't know if anybody saw that amazing leapfrog that Knocking Rose made over her colleague.
Little Hooligan yritti siellä sisäkautta hypätä viimeisellä sekunnilla ja ansaita pisteitä joukkueelle, mutta ei kerennyt ja Hampuri kuroi eroaan taas 2 pisteellä. So point by point, Harbor Girls are closing the gap.
Closing the gap. Here we go, 22, Lotta Lovelace against 42, Edgar Allan Ho.
13 point difference, 13.
Very nice, very nice. Lotta Lovelace in the lead.
Lotta Lovelace has been doing some impressive jamming today.
She's a very powerful jammer. And Edgar Allan Ho completes her initial pass. And Lotta Lovelace. Ah, okay.
Tampereen jammeri Edgar Allan Ho siellä taistelee saadakseen pisteeroa isommaksi.
Apparently, Lotta Lovelace thought she was lead jammer, went out of the track, tried to call the jam, and when she realized she wasn't, went back in the track.
And since there are no lead jammer, the jam is gonna go for the full 2 minutes.
Rocco Rodriguez sent to the bench for 1 minute.
Tampere on kuronut eroaan yli 30 pisteeseen, mutta Hampurin blokkerit eivät kyllä aina yhtään pistettä ilmaiseksi. The blockers are doing impressive job by holding the Tampere girls behind.
Impressive. Really impressive. 2 minutes is up. Jam is over.
just a little over 6 minutes to go. This is getting real exciting. Actually, it has been exciting for the whole game. The whole
Really?
2 games. Everything is exciting.
We're just so excited.
Yeah. And can't hide it.
Jane Van Payne, number 030, and number 10, Jane Ho Jenny. First time jamming, or am I wrong? Either way, both girls having a tough time of it, but Jane Ho Jenny, number 10, gets through first. Lead jammer for Tambra.
Jane Ho Jenny has pretty impressive game face. Whatever happens, the same expression just says. She actually used to be a figure skater, so you have to have a game face there too.
There you go. But she's being held back by 234 and Knock and Rose, who used to be a hockey player. Spooky Spiky trying her best to hold her back. And Jane Ho calls the jam.
Tampere kuroo johtoaan kauemmas ja kauemmas. Tällä hetkellä Tampereella 177 pistettä, eli 40 pistettä johdossa.
Come on, people, we only have 5 minutes
Come
left in
on.
this game. Anybody could be the winner. Let's make some noise.
Hampuri tiukasti perässä 137 pisteellä.
Lana Loveless and Little Hooligan. Little Hooligan as lead jammer. Gonna hold back Lana Loveless.
A crowded penalty box. Seems to be some kind of illegal action going on there.
And Lana Loveless makes 4 points despite not being lead jammer. I need to do some rock guitar. Very exciting. The gap in the points remains at 40. Very nice. Quickly through as lead jammer, number 56.
Yleisön hurratessa Kira Horpi julistetaan lead jammeriksi ja helpon oloisesti hän syöksyy tuolta ulkolinjalta ja nappaa 4-0 pisteet joukkueelleen.
4-0. The gap is widening. After how many jams here, Mick? After maybe 5 or 6 jams.
3 minutes to go.
Very exciting. Jane Van Payne and Alina Ruharanta. A lot of people on the floor, but Ruharanta makes it to the front for lead jammer.
Hampurin blokkerit yrittävät siellä pidellä Elina Ruhorantaa takanaan, mutta kierroksen jälkeen hän vain puskee sieltä lävitse.
Jane completes her initial pass. The girls are making a hard time of it for Ruharanta, and she calls off the jam. I don't really know what to say. I'm just excited to see how the last 2 minutes are going to play out.
Rinta rinnan siellä jammerit luistelevat, mutta Hampuri näytti saaneen lead-jammerin tällä kertaa. Shane Ho Jenny ei kuitenkaan ilmaiseksi anna Hampurin jammerin pääsevän lävitse.
Lotte decides not to let the point gap get any bigger and calls the jam before she herself can make any points.
1 minute left. 1 minute.
We have got Hiro Appi and Hater Skater.
Mitä luulette yleisö, pääseekö Tampere vielä 200 pisteeseen? Jää nähtäväksi. Kira Horpi ainakin kovasti yrittää siihen. Hampurin jammeri vielä ensimmäistä kierrostaan pakassa, kun Kira Horpi lähentelee jo toista.
And Hater Skater is still fighting her way for her initial pass as Hiro Appi makes points for Tampere.
She got 4 points, so decided that, hey, I'm gonna be a blocker.
And now she's being a little bit cheeky with Hater Skater. She knows she can call the jam anytime she wants, so she's having a little bit of fun.
So they're just playing time.
And she calls the jam.
Peräkkäiset 4 vihelystä tarkoittavat sitä, että ottelu on pelattu. Ja vaikka pisteet eivät ole lopullisia, niin näyttäisi siltä, että Tampere vei voiton kotiin. Eli näyttäisi siltä, että Tampere vei voiton kotiin tässäkin pelissä. Eli kuten edellisen pelin tavoin, yleisö on tervetullut tuohon radan reunalle antamaan ylä- ja ala- ja keskivitosia tiimeille.
And we hope that you don't leave, that you join us around the edge of the track to congratulate the players.
Antakaa vielä isompaa ääntä illan voittajalle, Tampere Rolling Hosesille. Aivan mieletön peli, aivan mieletöntä joukkuepeliä, hyviä jammereita, hyviä blokkereita. Amazing gameplay for them.
Amazing game, very close. So go another round, please, Tampere. One more round. This is your song. Take another spin.
Come on, Tampere, one more round. Or no?
Ladies and gentlemen, a very hard game. Please say thank you to the Harbor Girls.
Dankeschön!
Dankeschön.
Way to go, Hamburg. Real nice game.
Thank you everybody for coming. MS Tampere hits Harbor. They hit pretty hard. It was a great day of roller derby.
Nyt lähennellään loppuaan, eli kiitos yleisö. Tulitte muistakaa ostaa vielä viimeiset merchit, jos siellä alhaalla on mitään myynnissä. Kiitos sponsoreille, jotka mahdollistitte tämän mahdottoman kivan eventin. Nähdään illalla mikseissä, joraillaan siellä. Kiitos Kaiholle kanssa. Hyvää settiä. Kiitos ja moi.